Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel Fitness Journey. What's up people? I hope you are doing great. This is something different from my usual videos, but I felt the need to just talk about this with you people. And it's all about Chloe Ting. And I know you might have already understood through my video's thumbnail. And that's all guys, it's all about that video going viral in this lockdown like insane. And that's Chloe Ting's 2 weeks app challenge. Like people are going crazy trying this challenge and uploading their result video in YouTube and going viral. Like so many people out there like you thinking of it like is it real or is it fake or can we get apps in just 2 weeks. So don't worry guys, I'm here to burst all those clouds of doubt in your mind, and I'm here to tell you the truth behind this Chloe Ting's 2 week app challenge. To do watch this complete video guys, don't skip it because every point is must if you really wanted to know about Chloe Ting app challenge real truth behind it. So do watch this complete video guys and keep on watching. So let me first explain you this workout. Chloe Ting's 2 week app challenge basically is 10-minute abs workout that's gonna kill your workout. You have to do it for just 2 weeks and going to get abs in your tummy area. I know it's pretty hard to believe that we are going to get abs in just 2 weeks, but people are going crazy. It's getting viral day by day. They are working for 2 weeks and uploading their viral pictures on the internet. And let me tell you guys, this is Chloe Ting's 2 week app challenge, and you can it's have million of views. Even I did Chloe Ting 2 week app challenge. You can watch it, and if you have not watched it yet, go check it out. Yes, a question arises, is this workout really works? If yes, then how? And let me answer this. Yes guys, it does work, but at the same time it may not work. I know I sounds like crazy, but let me explain you this. Yes guys, it may work for somebody, it may not work for somebody else because several other factors do matter here. Like you need to do HIIT workout plus cardio along with this 2 weeks app challenge and have a proper healthy lifestyle with your proper diet to get a faster result. You might see bunch of result video of Chloe Ting's 2 weeks app challenge and you follow the same diet plan, the same workout they followed and still not get the result because every body type is different. Yes girls, you need to understand this. You can't compare yourself to other girls, they are getting several results sooner than yours, and that's a wrong perspective. You need to understand that your body type is different. You are having body fat percentage more than them, they are having fast metabolism, you are having slow metabolism. That might be the reason you are not getting result within 2 weeks. Yes girls, I'm not lying. Even I did this 2 weeks app challenge and I get result within 2 weeks. Not completely, my apps are not visible yet, but I'm doing all those new challenges for me and all of you so that you might get inspired through it and try to do this 2 weeks app challenge. It really works guys, it's not fake. You can't comment on somebody else's video like so many of people commented on my video too that it's fake, is not possible to get abs in just 2 weeks, you wear tights to look skinny. But no guys, that's not the truth. Yes, it does work, the results are not fake. You need to understand that every body type is different. Reason why it not working for you might be you're not following healthy lifestyle, not in a proper diet, not in a calorie deficient, not doing workouts properly, might you have doing only abs workout, and that's won't help guys. You need to do cardio and HIIT workout along with this 2 weeks app challenge. If you're not getting result, don't get upset because this workouts is not fake, it does work. The workouts really work. As I already told you, there are so many factors that does matter, that your metabolism, that your body fat percent, your healthy lifestyle, and basically your diet. I did this 2 weeks app challenge and get result in just 2 weeks. You might get much more time. You will not get result in 2 weeks. You might take 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or might be a month. But you just need to adopt those healthy lifestyle and just be consistent. Don't get upset if you're not getting result in just 2 weeks. You need to understand this because you are not ever in a healthy lifestyle, you are not in a proper diet plan, you never done workout before, and just one day you watch something like this 2 weeks app challenge and you were like, yes, I will get the same result as they are getting. Girls, this is not possible. because even I did 2 week ab challenge when I was already adopted a healthy lifestyle. I was on my diet and I was already doing workout regularly. At that time I did this 2 weeks ab challenge and get amazing results out of it. If you want to get all those results, you need to be consistent because every body type is different. They take time according to their body type, because your body fat is different than the other. So you need to understand this. You just need to be consistent, be honest to yourself, then you will definitely going to get the result. Because when I was on my own fitness journey, I never restricted it to any time bond. I did it, I was honest to myself, and that's what matters. You need to be consistent. The most important thing, be disciplined about it, have a healthy lifestyle, adopt it, and to hit workout along with this 2 weeks ab challenge with your proper diet, and you will get the results sooner or later. If you are beginner, do understand this, guys. Never compare yourself to other, because where you are today, they have started from that place and now they are far above than you. You need to understand this. So never get demotivated if you are not doing some workouts as they are doing right now, because they might be in the same place someday in which you are today. Take your time, do workout, take rest, be consistent, and that's what matters. You wanted to follow Chloe Ting's 2 weeks ab challenge, try to eat clean. Wanted to know my diet, what I follow during Chloe Ting's 2 weeks ab challenge, go check it out. The second thing is that try to engage your core. Yes, doing ab workout, engaging your core is must. The third thing is that try to do cardio or hit workout along with Chloe Ting's 2 weeks ab challenge for better result. Don't get upset, it takes time. It might take time for somebody, it might not take some time for somebody else, but the results are insane, guys. You will going to get the result. Just be patient. Do not go and comment on other videos like, no, she's faking, the results are not real, she's doing it for views and comments. No, guys, it's not like that. The results are not fake, because other somebody else body type, as I already told, is different as your body type is different. Your body fat is maybe far more than her, so it may take time, but just be patient, just be consistent, drink lots and lots of water, do hit workout, have a proper diet plan, adopt a healthy lifestyle, and you will going to get the result within a week or within a month, but definitely going to get the result. Just be consistent, be patient, and be disciplined to yourself. That's all, guys. I hope guys like this video, and if you find this video worth watching, don't forget to smash on the subscribe button, click the bell icon for more upcoming videos, follow me on Instagram for other queries, and keep supporting, guys. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, and you are still here, still watching me. Yes, lots of love.